Replace: how to replace the last occurrence of an expression in a string. Is there a quick way in Python to replace strings, but, instead of starting from the beginning as replace does, starting from the end? For example,
I'm not going to pretend that this is the most efficient way of doing it, but it's a simple way. It reverses all the strings in question, performs an ordinary replacement using str.replace on the reverse strings, then reverses the result back the right way round.
If you know that the old string does not contain any special characters, you can do it with a regex.
Just reverse the string, replace first occurrence and reverse it again. Output.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.